Mastering Roundabout's safe driving skills with Alicia, more confident or professional.
Everybody. This is Mustafa Driver School Driver Training. We got lovely Alicia here. She's doing a roundabout by herself. We are in Theobald Grove near station, and now we are approaching to the big motoring world, big roundabout. If you got a test coming up or you learn to drive, and this video is for you, you might learn something. And if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. Right? What do you say? Yeah?
Yeah.
You didn't subscribe?
Yeah.
Yeah, please. Good. Okay. So, driver, we ready? Yes?
Okay.
So we're doing a big roundabout. When it's safe to do so, we can move off from here. Beautiful. Nice moving off. Beautiful. Good. Can you hear the noise? Right, at the end of the road, we will be going left, okay?
So check my mirrors.
Okay. And what about the speed here? Now we got left. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so at this roundabout coming up, this is a big motoring world roundabout, A10 Great Cambridge Road. We're going ahead, second exit. So show me which lane you're gonna go.
In the middle.
Good. Why middle lane?
Position myself properly.
Good. Yeah. So second exit ahead. Safe.
Yeah.
Good. Well done. Continue, please. What's the speed here? Go to the left side, please. Now we go left again, please.
Check my mirrors.
Left. Thank you.
Signal.
What do you do about the speed?
Kill the speed.
Good. And we go left, please, at the roundabout.
Yes. Signal.
And I would like you to turn right, and not this one, the next one here. Turn right, please. Right. Thank you. Then we're going right at the roundabout, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So left first. Okay, so now right. Safe?
Mm-hmm.
Good, continue. Good. And at the traffic light,
Mm-hmm.
turn right, please. Right at the traffic light, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, safe?
Mm-hmm.
Good, continue, please. Yes? Okay, so at the roundabout, take the third exit to the right, please. A121, okay?
Yeah.
Third exit to the right, thank you. Just talk yourself through where you're doing now. What are you gonna do now?
Slow on the approach.
Okay?
Check my mirrors.
Uh-huh.
Signal right.
Good, well done.
Okay.
to stop.
That was a lot smoother.
Yes.
Mhm.
Good. Well done. If anybody dealing with a roundabout, learning to drive, or they've got a test coming up, what would you advise anybody if dealing with a roundabout?
Always take your time. And if you follow the maneuvers,
You mean steps?
yeah, the steps,
Yeah.
you'll get it right.
Good. If I was learning,
Mm-hmm.
I will definitely listen to you. You're a good teacher.
Yeah, because I was taught by the best.
Now we're going to be going left.
Mirrors,
Thank you.
signal,
Beautiful. See?
and slow.
Yes. If you think about cooking, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So you follow the steps, isn't it? Yeah? So, if you're cooking chicken curry, what do? Follow the steps.
Yep.
Chop the onions. Yeah? Don't forget to put the chicken.
Mhm.
That's it, yeah? Good. And what's the speed now?
20.
20 years?
Plenty.
There you go. You said
Thanks
it.
for watching.
Well
If you
done.
enjoyed this video,
Right,
please
okay.
like, share,
Now
and
we're going ahead.
subscribe. Hit the bell so you don't miss more driving lessons like this one. More videos coming soon. Stay safe and keep learning.